A lot has happened in the past 24 hours. It has been a major frenzy going on in the cryptocurrency market right now. Markets are going red, major sell-offs are happening. Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, a lot of the major players in the industry are seeing red. Tokens held by Sam Bankman-Fried's and Battle Trading Unit Alameda Research were sold late on Wednesday to the tune of millions of dollars. They are liquidating Ether-based tokens holdings for Bitcoin in the past 24 hours, on-chain data shows. Around $1.7 million worth of tokens from Alameda Link wallets were sold in the open market over the span of several hours on Wednesday. ERC-based tokens such as USDC, DAI, Curve, Ether, Convex, and others were consolidated from several wallets to just 2 wallets and later sold for Tether stablecoins. You can see right here the on-chain data shows that Alameda linked wallets are selling off their current ERC tokens in their holdings, causing a major sell-off frenzy and a major dip towards the downside. And one of the worst news ever, Alameda still holds over $112 million worth of various cryptocurrencies, down from $140 million held in mid-November. So the bad news just keeps on coming. And one of the cryptocurrencies that are performing even worse than the entire market is Solana. Solana has been gaining traction, not positively, but negatively. And why is Sol dumping? 2 of Solana's top NFT projects, DGuts and Utes, recently announced that they're jumping ship to Ethereum and Polygon. And just a few days after SBF was released from jail on bail, ERC tokens are being dumped and funds are being moved into blue chip cryptocurrency like Ethereum, Bitcoin, and USDT. So a lot of the people are suggesting that SBF and Alameda are gonna sell off Solana next. And that is why a lot of the fear has been spreading around, causing Solana to dip from its previous $10 and $11 support down to the $9 mark, okay? Creating more lower lows. And it is not a good look for Solana, okay? Their top projects are leaving their ecosystem, major sell-off from previous VCs. And let's take a look at one of the interesting threads that I found on why Solana is dead and going to zero. Okay, mind you guys, I'm not here to spread FUD against Solana. I have nothing against Solana, okay? But we have to cover this, and maybe this will provide some context into why Solana is dumping hard. It was backed by one of the biggest frauds in history, as we all know, SBF, okay? FTX committing fraud and stealing customer funds to invest in Solana projects was the main reason anything was successful on Solana. Now all that money is gone, FTX will forever be negatively associated with Solana, alright? And as you guys know, SBF and I think SBF, FTX is one of the major investors in Solana. So people are fearing that SBF will sell the remaining holdings in their pocket to liquidate and get money and get cash. So Solana, it's gonna be a unwanted collateral for SBF to dump in the open market. Multicoin Capital, the biggest advocates for both FTX and Solana, took a massive hit. This is following their other notorious 2017-18 bet on EOS. You can feel the LP redemptions in the SOL price right now as it trends to zero. In addition to many projects choosing to return or build on Ethereum because of the advancement of Layer 2 technology, as well as the constant network outages plaguing Solana. The two, this we covered before, Utes and DGuts are moving to Ethereum. And many celebrities were paid to promote and shield Solana for FTX as spokespersons. It's become clear that Solana was used by FTX as one piece of their elaborate scam to keep the FTX Alameda Ponzi going. Most of the developer activity on Solana was faked by one guy who has since left. You can see the activity on Solana was deemed to be fake. And again, these are all speculations, no real hard evidence, but it is still an interesting take on why Solana has been dumping really hard. Okay, so SBF, their ecosystem and their blockchain is constantly plagued with outages. It is a bad look for Solana, but will it recover? In my opinion, yes. Solana is actually an amazing ecosystem and it has a really progressive blockchain technology. But right now, so far in a death on a bear market, It is hard to say, will it ever recover and reclaim the all-time highs? It is really hard to say. And last but not least, amidst the bear market, MicroStrategy, the infamous Bitcoin maximalist Michael Saylor, has increased its Bitcoin holdings by 2,500 Bitcoin. As of 27th of December, MicroStrategy holds around 132 and 500,000 Bitcoin acquired for 4.03 billion at an average price of 30,000 per Bitcoin. All right, and Michael Saylor announced that MicroStrategy will launch Bitcoin Lightning solutions in 2023, and he wants to onboard millions to Lightning. Whether you like Michael Saylor or you hate him, it is great to see a lot of the people are still optimistic around the cryptocurrency and its potential technological advancement. They are looking to bring cryptocurrency into mass adoption. It is good to see, and a lot of the builders are building during the bear markets. And so is all the news that I have for you guys. If you guys are holding Solana, stay strong. It will recover. I don't know if it will go back to its all-time highs. We'll have to see. So far, the momentum shift has turned bearish, and it is showing no signs of recovery just yet. But so as other cryptocurrencies. So let's not pick on Solana only, okay? Cardano as well going down really hard. Doge, SHIB, Ethereum, Bitcoin are still minus 70 to 90% of its all-time highs. We'll see how the story unfolds. Just expect more pain and more downward pressure. Okay, so with that being said, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Peace.